What's up everybody and welcome back to Takeout Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing one of my favorite takeout dishes. We're going to be doing shrimp and broccoli. Now this is a crazy easy recipe to make, so let's just get to it. We're going to start off with just the broccoli head, nothing crazy. I didn't get too big with this. I'm just making it for myself really. So you can use some fresh broccoli. If you want to use some frozen broccoli, that's okay too. But please, if you can, just try to use some fresh broccoli. Now, I just like to break it all up and cut them from the stem and just break it up into smaller pieces. Nothing too crazy. You really don't have to think too hard about that. Okay, so we're gonna season our shrimp really simply with some salt, some black pepper, also some garlic powder, and I just like to throw in a little Cajun seasoning for a little bit of spice, a little kick in there. Also using jumbo shrimp here, so whatever size shrimp you want to use, but I like to use jumbo for when I do like my fried rice and stuff. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and just basically blanch our broccoli. I don't really want to cook them too heavily because I'm going to be cooking them also in our sauce a bit, so just enough to just get them some color on it, also get them a little bit tender but not too crazy. You don't want them to be soft at all. After we take our broccoli out, we're going to melt some butter so we can add our shrimp. We're going to also add some minced garlic in there. The smell that's coming from this pan is ridiculous. Well, we just want to make sure we cook our shrimp thoroughly, but we don't want to overcook it. Alright, now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of beef broth. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Hoisin sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and we're just going to mix this up. The sauce is coming together already. We're going to also add a tablespoon of brown sugar to really help tie it together. Now we're going to go ahead and just sprinkle some chili flakes on there. This is better than takeout. Like, why pay for that when you can just really make it at home? Here we got some green onions again, and we're just going to go ahead and put some our broccoli back in there. Mix it up, and there you go, guys. We got shrimp and broccoli. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and maybe make this tonight if you guys got the ingredients. It's really good. But until next time, y'all. Peace.